For me, as I was told by my Russian friend Denis SBO in TikTok Live, and even my former good friend Roylan Marlang, even Jerick Silva as well, even Denzel Joshua. Um, they told me in Messenger, they told me in TikTok Live. I said, Dennis SBO, my Russian friend, have told me in TikTok Live, um, do not make fake account on Facebook. Even Denzel Joshua have told me in Messenger. He said that do not make a fake account because I know Denzel Joshua had told me do not make fake account on Facebook. Even my Russian friend Dennis SBO had told me do not make a fake account on Facebook. I know I just wanna apologize to Teacher Gio Malana, Teacher Vincent Ramos, that I made the fake account on Facebook. And even, last pandemic, I'm the one who make fake account of Teacher Vincent Ramos in Facebook. Last 2021, that was 4 years ago. And last 2024, last year, I'm the one who make fake account of Teacher Gio Malana in Facebook. And not even just that, I'm the one who made the fake account of Rodelio Daguman. Oh, but I apologize. This is advice to Cedric Mariano. Please do not harass Rodelio Daguman because Mang Rodelio Daguman is a cerebral palsy. Anyway, do not make fake account. Whether if Mang Rodelio Daguman loves Rodrigo Duterte, if he loves Sara Duterte, that is his own opinion. Oh, if Mang Rodelio Daguman loves, for example, he likes Lenny Robredo, that is his own opinion. But for that, do not, I say to everyone na we're ally of Sangkay Janjan, who were trolls. You know, do not implicate Mang Rodelio Daguman as a scapegoat. Remember that. I know his mother passed away. Just to know, do not make fake account. I know you, Sangkay Janjan. You're the one who make fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman in Facebook. When Roylan Marlang says, sino bang gumawa ng fake account na yan? That's why, you know, you know what he told me, for you, Sangkay Janjan, I know you're an ally with Kuya Kopyo. I know you're an ally with Teacher May Tiburcio, who were my arch enemies, Sangkay Janjan. I know you're a blogger. Do not make fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman. I know you're a Marcos loyalist blogger, Sangkay Janjan. Do not make fake account of Mang Rodelio Daguman. Have mercy to the person. Unlike you, Sangkay Janjan, when I made fake account of Teacher Vincent Ramos or Teacher Gia Malana, I make them as a scapegoat. I know, you see, when I made my YouTube video, I apologize Teacher Vincent Ramos sincerely in 2021. And I apologize Teacher Gia Malana sincerely last 2024. I am allegedly I'm a Marcos loyalist. Oh, but the time of Rodrigo Duterte, when he was arrested, I am no longer to be a Marcos loyalist. Oh, and I am no longer to be a pro Marcos anymore. And I know I'm the one who made fake account of Escal Penumbra. That was the boyfriend of Teacher Kel. But I apologize, Escal Penumbra. But I invaded the privacy of Teacher Kel. Oh, remember, Sangkay Janjan, do not invade the privacy of Mang Rodelio Daguman. Have mercy to that person. Have mercy to that man who is working in Muntinlupa City Hall when he was a cerebral palsy. His mother passed away. She's already dead. You know, like I said, Mang Rodelio Daguman is very upset. Oh, he was very depressed because you're making a fake account on Facebook. Rodelio Daguman. Oh, you know, Sangkay Janjan, that Marcos loyalist wannabe. If Mang Rodelio Daguman is an anti-Marcos, if Mang Rodelio Daguman is pro-Duterte, oh, respect his own opinion. Don't be such as Kuya Kopyo, Sangkay Janjan. You're trolling a person with the cerebral palsy. Oh, that's not really good. You do not judge a person with a cerebral palsy. That's not good. The time I know this is my consequence. Like, unlike you, this is your consequence. You know, you should never make fake account on Facebook. That is a cyber libel, Sangkay Janjan. What if Mang Rodelio Daguman and his brother, Kuya Robin Daguman, had filed the cases against you in cyber libel? You know, cyber libel, it's a defamation. Oh, if they file against you, Sangkay Janjan, a cyber libel, they will file against you a cyber libel, Sangkay Janjan. Oh, you know, cyber libel, it's a defamation. It's an online defamation. Remember that. That is a cyberbullying. Oh, and you don't know about cyberbullying. Oh, Sangkay Janjan. The time when I made the cyberbullying on David Gill and his family, who involved that cyberbullying of David Gill and his family member, even his mother, Mrs. Annie Gill? You, Sangkay Janjan. You know, Sangkay Janjan, people deserve that they don't really like you. People who are anti-Marcos, they are criticizing you. That is deserve your consequence, Sangkay Janjan.